Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce to you the basic teaching tool you can use in HiTeach 5. The first one is the select function, which I'm using right now. And under here are various kinds of pens that you can choose from. And you can choose some special pen. And over here is where you could set the color of the pen. Over here is the eraser function. You can also choose to erase a select area. Below are some geometric shapes that you can use in your teaching. The white box over here is the teaching aid. There are various tools you can use, such as many math tools. And there are some stickers that you can choose from. In the middle is where you can add a new page, go to previous page or next page, and down here is the zoom in function. You can zoom in and also zoom out. And click the bottom one to return to the original ratio. You can try all these tools, master them, and use them in your teaching. The above is the introduction of the basic tools of HiTeach.